This is really good. You can bring this if you travel. You can use this bag. Wow. God, I'm so excited. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ella Kira, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing down below. So today I'll be doing another unboxing plus review of my new stuff for vlogging. So the stuff that I'm gonna unbox is a ring light, a proper 18 inches ring light, because the ring light that I used before is this one. This one, guys, is a very tiny ring light. Okay lang naman siya, but if it's nighttime, I can't really use this one for sitting vlog kasi hindi siya masyadong nagbabright. So that's why I normally do sitting vlog at daytime. Like this, I'm using natural light now kasi nga hindi siya masyadong nagbabright sa nighttime. And besides, winter is coming very soon. Magde-daylight saving na, guys. So mas more yung nighttime dito kaysa daytime. So I think it's time for me to have a proper ring light, so I ordered one. So now let's start unboxing. So this is the ring light, guys. Dumating siya the other day. This one is huge. Ayan, sobrang laki niya, guys. Ayan. So I ordered this one from Amazon, and I paid this for 171.74 New Zealand dollars. And it's not free shipping, guys. So I paid shipping and handling for 72.56 New Zealand dollars plus GST pa. Sobrang mahal ng GST. Is 36.64 yung GST. So overall, I paid 280.94 New Zealand dollars. So sobrang mahal niya, guys. Almost 300 New Zealand dollars. But we need to invest. I need to invest for the sake of vlogs. Plus, I'm paying the brand Inkeltech. Nag-search ako sa Google before ako bumili nito, guys. So, Inkeltech is a very good brand. So now, guys, let's open it. Wow. So, meron siyang bag. Wow! Oh my God, it's huge! So big, guys. Parang malaki pa sa akin. So, we'll set aside the box. Look how big is the box, guys. Ayan. Sobrang laki niya talaga. So, we'll see what's inside. This is really good. You can bring this if you travel. You can use this bag. Wow. God, I'm so excited. Oh. Ooh. Wow, look at that one. Look at that one, guys. It's huge. Wow, it's big. It's so nice. So, i-compare ko siya sa maliit ko na ring light. So, this is my tiny ring light. And this is the 18 inches. Ayan, so sobrang laki niya talaga. Okay, so we'll see what's inside more. Ano pang meron dito? Oh. Oh, so this is the Bluetooth remote shutter. Ayan. This one, guys. Next is... Thank you for your order. Wow, meron silang mga ganito, no? And then, this is the stand. Sobrang laki niya talaga. Yung stand. Proper stand talaga siya, guys. Ayan. So, I'm gonna assemble this one later on. Right now, we'll just do unboxing. So, meron pa. So, another remote. And, oh, this one is for the iPhone. iPhone holder. No, I mean, phone holder. So, any phone. And then, this is the cable, adapter. Ooh, and I have free battery. Free battery, guys. Yan. And this is the manual for the Bluetooth. So this is the manual for the Bluetooth. And this is the manual for, I think, for everything. For the ring light. Ayan. Ito pa. So, ito yung sa phone holder. Ayan, guys. So, yan lang. Ang laki sa loob. Look. So, you can put separately the stand right here. Ang laki, guys. Pati ako mapasok dito. Right, guys. So, these are all the inclusions. So, I'm just gonna assemble this one. And I'll be right back. What's up, guys? I'm back. So before I show you the ring light, Google told me that this Inkeltech brand is the third best LED ring lights of this year 2020. That explains why it's a bit pricey. Now let's talk about the ring light. So this is the ring light, and it's 18-inch, 60-watt dimmable LED ring light kit with stand. And it's adjustable from 3,000 to 6,000 Kelvin or brightness, color temperature lighting for your vlog or for your makeup, photo, and your video. So at the back, this is the dial that controls the power. And this dial is for color temperature. And this is for the power cord. 2 spots for batteries, like for example, if you don't have power or if you want to use this outdoor, you can still use this by using the batteries. And also there's a hook on the top, so you can hang this on your wall if you wanted to. And this is actually very tall. I don't know how tall exactly, but it can actually go up close to our ceiling. So I'm gonna show you guys. Look how tall is that, guys. It's very tall. You can also adjust this. Actually adjust like that. So now let's try the light, and this is the remote. It's either you can use the dial at the back or you can use this remote, and this remote is for your phone if you want to take selfies. So I've got 2 remotes right here. So this is the power button, and this is the night light, which you can set to 2% brightness, and you can use it when you're asleep and have a little dim light. And this is the winter button, and this is the warm button, and these are the adjustment for brightness. And the middle button is, you will long press this for 3 seconds, it will save your current brightness. Same thing down here. This is the winter button, this is the autumn, and this is the summer button or the warm button. So let's start. So now let's turn it on. Ooh. So I'll try first the warm light. So I think this is the warm. I can't see the difference. Oh, this is the winter light, guys. I adjust the brightness. That is very, very light. So I'll turn it down. Wow, that's it. So I don't know if you can see the difference, guys, but what I'm gonna do is I will put my phone right here and we'll see. So I found out na hindi lang pala phone mo ang pwede mong ilagay dito, pati pala yung camera mo or yung DSLR mo, guys. Ayan, which is great. So let's try this again, guys, kasi andito na siya sa harap ko. So we'll see the difference. So let's turn this on. Ooh, it's so bright. Ayan. Parang makikita na talaga natin yung difference niya, guys. So we'll try first the warm light. Wow. So this is the warm light. Right, so let's try the autumn light. It's nice. So let's try the winter light, the cool light. Parang hindi nag... Ayan. Wala. This is the winter light, guys. I like the winter light. Yan. So we'll try to adjust the brightness. Ayan. So we'll turn this up. God, it's so bright. Yan. So we'll turn this down. Ayan, guys. Uy! Hello. So, let's try the autumn. Ayan. So, this is the autumn. And let's adjust the brightness. So let's try again the summer. The summer light. Wow. It's so warm. Very warm, guys. Parang ano siya, sobrang init. Right. So, I like the winter light. This one. This light. But I think I'm gonna adjust the bright like this. So, I can save this brightness by long press the middle button. Now, let's try the night light. This button right here, and we'll see. Ooh. So, this is the night light, which is nice. Magagamit mo talaga siya if matulog ka kasi dim light lang siya. Pwede mo siyang paumagahan. At least meron kang a little bit of light. It's nice, guys. So, guys, I will put my pictures sa different mode of light sa ring light na to. Before I end this video, meron lang akong i-shoutout. So, big shoutout sa aking ate, Victoria Adventures. Shoutout sa iyo, ate. Salamat talaga, ate, sobra sa everyday na pagsuporta. So, salamat sobra, ate. Ate Vic. At big shoutout din ni MG Punsalan from Dubai sa aking bro dyan. Shoutout sa iyo, bro, MG Punsalan. At si Cisilabs Christy Gualberto. Ayan, Cisilabs ko na maganda. Big shoutout sa iyo, Cisilabs. At sa aking bro na si Leonard Vasquez. Big shoutout din sa iyo, bro. Salamat sa inyong lahat, guys, sa todo suporta sa aking channel. So, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, I hope you don't forget to give me a like and feel free to share. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing down below and click the bell button so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!